Hello everyone. In this topic, I would like to tell you about India's independent journey being self dependent because India in recent days is on the way to make Indian goods in India by implementing two state initiative called Make in India Initiative and Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhijan. The reason behind doing this the India wants to reduce its import dependence on other nations because more we import, more India have to spend their foreign exchange reserve. That is the reason. The foreign exchange reserves are always strategic asset for any nations. It is always saved to spend it in contingency. If any country going through harsh time or unusual events, then these assets came into play. We have to save these assets. We all seen during the COVID-19 period. This period was very hard for any country. Even the USA and the Western Europe suffered from these diseases. So we all have to spend because India is an oil importing nation. India imports the oil from the Middle East and the other countries. So India always need the foreign exchange reserve and the India have to save this money. So if India will going to save this money, then the India will going to spend those money for the oil imports. This is why India is trying to export its own state of art crops and the goods to the other countries. And that will going to help the nation like India with 1.38 billion people to recover from economical burden and the hardness that faced or already facing because of COVID-19. As we all know, the COVID-19 is not over yet. The India realized that if she will continuously depends on the other nations for small and the minute, inferior and the superior goods, then this will hamper its own race of becoming the super productive nations, and that will also discourage our adult populations to go for setting up their own startups. This will going to discourage the mm, adult generations not to start the startups. So this will going to encourage the populations and the students, those who are already came out of these colleges, then they will going to get encouraged. And that is why the government recently took in massive decisions to manufacture almost 200 subsystem and components related to the defense goods to be manufactured within India. And India put import curbs on those items. And the defense ministry also decided to localize another 351 imported items to be substituted in next 3 years. These Atmanirbhar Bharat program will save the foreign exchange approximately equivalent to 3000 crore every year. And these subsystem components have been notified by Department of Defense Production as a part of ministry's effort to achieve self-reliance in manufacturing to minimize the imports by defense public sector undertaking DPSUs. And the defense public sector undertaking will work in close coordinations with local industrial supply chain to ensure the strict or adherence to the stipulated timeline. Because of that certificate, time will be required and that it will be granted on the priority by the stakeholder. The government will going to take the steps whether the licensing will not going to take too much time, because if the licensing will going to get the too much time, then the organizations will going to face the huge losses, and India will going to increase its indigenization from current 201 to over 1000 components. At present, India's defense and the aerospace manufacturing market worth 85,000 crore. In 2022, it will be going to increase to 1 lakh crore and could reach 5 lakh crore by 2047. India also promote the export defense goods wants to come up with a bill called the Defense Production and the Export Promotion Policy 2020. It is out in public. for the feedback from the public, and the government wants to know the public what is in the bill. After that, the government will come up with that bill into an parliament, and that will be passed by the both the houses, Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Army also established quantum lab at Military College of Telecommunication and Engineering in Madhya Pradesh. So Indian government and the Indian army is trying to replace the import with the export and trying to innovating the state of the earth technologies, those who will going to help the countries, those who will going to help the countries strategically importance to the nations being an South Asian. And over here, the India already started promoting in export for India's indigenous LCA Tejas. Some countries like the Argentina, Egypt, and the Malaysia have already shown their interest to buy these jets. And the Philippines, a Pacific Ocean country, wants to buy the HAL Dhruv Mk3 surveillance attack helicopter along with 8 Dornier 228 planes. And the Philippines also interested to buy the BrahMos missile system to counter the Chinese aggression. And the Vietnam is also interested to buy the BrahMos to counter the Chinese aggression, because Chinese claim the South China Sea as their own territory, but that is not. Every country have their maritime boundary, and a ocean cannot belongs to a nation. The whole ocean cannot be belongs to a nation. The India has already making AK-203 assault rifle in Uttar Pradesh with collaborations with Russia, and also wants to develop at least 120 kilonewton thrust engine in collaborations with Rolls-Royce of UK or the Safran Group of France. If anyone will be agreed to the terms of the government that has been given to them, they will going to come up and say the government that we are ready to meet this kind of terms, and the government will going to go ahead with these projects of making the jet engines. India already have Kaveri engines, but Kaveri engines have so many faulty objects because it cannot achieve the thrust of 110. So that is why the India interested to working with the organization, those who are expert in making the jet engines. So in the conclusions, and this will going to check the brain drain. In the conclusion, I can say that this will going to check the brain drain. That will going to encourage our people to stay in the nations. Brain drain means that the students used to go to the USA or the any European countries for the further studies and the further jobs, because they think their ability is being measured by them very efficiently comparisons to the India. But now if government will going to do this kind of projects, they will going to stay over here, and they that will going to contributions into the economy, and that will going to give the economy a massive boom. And those students wants to set up the after how they will going to give the massive boom after setting up the startup of their own. So these kind of things, the whatever the government is doing is very good. And now the questions is, which fighter jets are contenders in the MMRCA 2.0 deal? And the options are later, and some of the hints are over there. First hint is Boeing FA-18, second Dassault Rafale, third F-22, fourth F-35, and fifth Eurofighter Typhoon. You have to choose your option from these hints. First one is among A and the B, two is A, B, and the C are correct. Third is A, B, and E are correct. And fourth is C and D. Whichever is correct, you can give me the answer in the comment sections. And there is a question related to the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, that is being conducted by the government of India's UPSC to hire the job category peoples to do the jobs. And the question is, how the Make in India and the Atmanirbhar Bharat program will going to change the South Asian geopolitics. If anyone wants to give me the answer, please give me the answer or write the answer to my email address. And my email address is already given to you, and that is enlisted over there, tuhin.power.academy@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Thank you.